4 days after communal riots rocked Atali village in Ballabgarh in Haryana over the construction of a mosque, more than 400 Muslim families remain stranded inside the compound of the local police station. India Today gets you a ground report.
There is eerie silence at the Atali village, with a large deployment of police and paramilitary force visible at every second corner of the village. Burnt cars, blackened ceiling, broken household items indicate the extent of damage and violence that was unleashed here.
10 kilometers from the Ballabgarh police station, this is the Atali village, and this is the very construction site in this village which has led to a lot of violence and bloodshed as well. In fact, this very site has been the reason for a lot of animosity amongst the villagers here. The reason, the majority community already has a place of worship here on my left hand side, and the minority community now wishes to make their place of worship in this very construction site. Now this is the sole reason of dispute, and this has been the dispute site not just for the past couple of days but for the last 5 years, and there has been no resolution to this problem. With the result, over the past couple of days, there has been a lot of violence in the entire village.
Fearing further violence, many minority families have fled the village and are putting up at the Ballabgarh police station.
हमले के बाद में उन्हें घर में जो तोड़-फोड़ सामान वो सब तोड़ा, बाइक में आग लगा दी है, फ्रिज में भी तोड़ दिया है, कलाम पाक शहीद कर दिए उन्होंने हमारी, आग से सिलेंडर भर के आग लगा दिए सिलेंडरों में.
Many like Ruxana have shocking stories to narrate. After being face to face with death, the families don't wish to return, and many even blame the police for failing to protect them.
प्रशासन कोई कुछ नहीं कर रही है, सब कुछ जला दिया, कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा. ठंड में अब यहाँ जब तक रहेंगे, जब तक फैसला नहीं होगा तब तक यहाँ से नहीं हिलेंगे.
Jamiat Ulama-e-Hind has initiated efforts to broker peace in the village, and their representatives say they are hopeful that peace will prevail soon.
कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग के लिए अभी कोई चीज़ ऐसी कुछ की नहीं गई है. हाँ, एक चीज़ फ़र्क हुआ है कि 1-2 दिन से जो ये रैपिड एक्शन फोर्स लगी है, तो इसकी वजह से थोड़ा लोगों को एहसास होगा. ऐसे लोग हैं कि जो हमेशा सांप्रदायिकता और उसका फैलाने की कोशिश करते हैं समाज के अंदर, वो अपनी कोशिश करते रहते हैं, तो कभी-कभी ये जो बैलेंस है वो बिगड़ जाता है. अभी भी ऐसा ही हुआ है.
The heat wave is so intense here, it is practically impossible to be sitting at one place for more than 5 minutes. But then these people, forced by circumstances, have been braving the sun for days now. The nights have been no better. Every face has an ordeal to narrate. And they say, if they are not given an assurance by the government, they will not return to their households. With camera person Manish Dubey, this is Pankaj Upadhyay at Ballabgarh, reporting for India Today.